it's gone back. It's gone back
Ito
to
na,
13
ang
volts.
caravan.
Volts
Ayos
drop.
na.
So that means
Ito ang inside
be
niya.
joy.
Yan ang walling. Yan ang walling.
Yeah, but it's not making any noise.
Yan ang side.
it
Window.
says don't be in a hurry.
Oh, well, no.
Ito
I'm
ang bed.
surprised that voltage has dropped.
Ganon pala yan. May bed. Ito ang space niya.
When I come home to have a go, I normally got to go. You play
Ang
with
bahay.
it.
Bintana yan. Ito.
I can hear a wee noise there now.
Mm.
That'll be the fuel pump.
Yan ang kitchen niya dito.
Oh, there's air coming through there now.
Okay.
It's not hot, but it's coming through.
There you go. It's going to wind up there.
Merong
So that's it.
But the air's not hot,
No, that's all right.
so it might only be the fan. But that's sitting
Ito ang
on
toilet.
13 volts.
Ito ang
Faster
toilet
and
niya.
faster.
May toilet parang airplane din pala to. May maliit na toilet.
It's operating.
Ayan.
Bloody hell, going.
Ayan. Ay. What's
I can
that?
smell. I can smell. You can actually smell kerosene. Could you run it on kerosene?
I don't know.
I reckon I can smell.
It says when they started, when they knew, they can make a smell.
Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. It's just sitting below 13 volts.
Ayan ang
That air's hot
caravan.
now. That air's warm now coming in.
Oo. Pare ko sa tuwas.
So that's working. So it's obviously getting fuel.
Ayan.
It's all
Ito.
operational. It's sitting about.
Ayan ang caravan. Yan ang caravan. Ito siya. Yan ang size niya.